Pictureathis Plant App Review 2025 Pros and Cons, honest and unbiased. You won't believe how plant identification apps have evolved in 2025. Pictureathis promises instant identification, care tips, and disease detection, but is it really worth downloading? The surprising truth is accuracy. Most people get this wrong by assuming plant apps are unreliable. Pictureathis uses advanced AI to identify thousands of plant species in seconds with over 98% accuracy. One major advantage is care guidance. You won't believe what happens next when you see the app provides watering schedules, sunlight requirements, and troubleshooting tips for common plant issues. It also sends reminders to help your plants thrive. Pictureathis include the community feature, allowing users to share photos, ask questions, and receive advice from plant enthusiasts. Premium subscriptions unlock advanced diagnostics and expert consultations. However, there are cons. Free access is limited, and some features require a paid subscription. Indoor plant care may need adjustments based on local conditions, and AI suggestions aren't perfect in extreme cases. In conclusion, Pictureathis in 2025 is ideal for gardeners and plant lovers seeking accurate identification, actionable care tips, and a supportive community. While subscription features and occasional AI errors exist, the combination of precision, guidance, and engagement makes Pictureathis a top plant care app.